Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna cover Korean TikTok egg bread. Let's get started! I don't think... I forgot. 안녕 친구들, are you guys ready to cook? Lately I've been on Korean TikTok a lot, and of course my whole feed became cooking videos. There are so many weird Korean cooking trends and I really want to try them. So today we're gonna try one of the trends, 계란말이 빵, or Korean rolled omelette sandwich. To make this dish we need some morning bread, milk, cheddar cheese, sweetened condensed milk, ham, some eggs, salt, and sugar. So once you have all your ingredients, let's get started. First, we need morning bread. I'm gonna use 2 buns.
There's no morning bread in the rest of the world.
Morning bread? This is American thing.
Nope.
This is American thing.
Nope.
So this is Korean thing? Well, Korean thing, this is American thing. I thought this is American morning bread, but Sarah just told me that this thing is called differently in America. So get some small buns. It's very buttery, light, and fluffy. After tasting the bread, slice them in half. After slicing into half, add some sweetened condensed milk on
Both
top.
sides?
Yup, that's the trend. I don't know, it feels weird.
I wanna try!
Just wait, dude.
No!
And spread them well. Next, we need 5 eggs. Nope, I changed my mind, 6 eggs. And we need 3/4 tablespoons of sugar and a little less than a half tablespoon of salt and a 1/4 cup of milk. You can totally skip the milk, but adding milk will make the 계란말이 more 부드럽다, like it's soft. So if you have it, make sure to add it and mix it well. You can just use this as it is. To make it extra fluffy, we are gonna strain it. Once you strain it, get a pan and turn your stove on medium-low. And add some vegetable oil. Now I'm gonna make Korean omelette, and if you want to learn how to make a Korean omelette in detail, you can click here. Once the pan is hot, turn your stove on low heat, and we're gonna pour some egg. Once the bottom part is 70 to 80% cooked, we're gonna start rolling. I really like Korean rolled omelette, and when I saw this, it was pretty shocking. I never thought about eating with the bread, so I had to try it. That's how I felt. And there were so many different recipes I wanted to try. And if you want me to cover Korean TikTok recipes, please comment down below. There was like a Japanese fried rice that every Korean was trying, and I really want to try. It looks super good. Once you're done rolling it, we're gonna shape it. So lift your egg roll to cook the side. And once you're done, turn your stove off and place nicely on your cutting board. And we're gonna slice it in half. Ta-da! And place your 계란말이 on top of the bread. Put a slice of cheddar cheese on top of the egg. And place a slice of ham on top of the cheese. And cover it with the other bun. Ta-da! Now we have 2 different versions of 계란말이 빵. One ham and cheese, one plain. That's it. Our 계란말이 빵 is all ready to eat. Eating time. Let's sit. So thick. I don't know, it's so heavy. 맛있다. It's so fluffy and light. I mean, when I lived it, it's kind of heavy, heavier than it looked. But when I bite it, it melts down. It's so soft and fluffy. Super good. I can't remember how I used to eat morning bread. I think it's perfect. It just tastes perfect, so I think it should come like this. I think I used to eat it with the butter and jam, but I can't remember. This is way better. It should be like this. And it's way more filling and I like it. Okay, let's try the ham and cheese. It's way better. Ooh, first I tasted like ham. It goes super well. I couldn't taste the like cheese, but it slowly transitioned to the melty cheese. Super good. And I think the like melty cheese gives more like a unique texture. It was just like a soft and fluffy, but because of cheese, it's like kind of 꾸덕하다, you know, like like a sticky, like you know, a little melted, but like not totally melted. Like very good. I feel like I'm eating an egg McMuffin, but it's a lot more soft and a little sweeter. Super good. 맛있다. Cheryl, I want this for the breakfast. You should learn and make me breakfast. That's it for today's episode, and if you like it, please hit subscribe and the like button. That will help my channel a lot. And make sure to share with your friend and family. And if you want me to cover more TikTok recipes, please let me know in the comment down below. I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. Thank you to my Patreon, Mechanom and Krista, Jackie, Nancy, Janet, Miss Cheshire, Gia, Joey, Sue, Lexi, Mr. and Mrs. Gavin. Thank you so much for helping me to make bigger and better content. See you next week. 안녕! Ta-da! Now we have two different versions of 계란말이 빵. One ham and cheese, one plain. That's it for today. No. If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you wanna see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. Then I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕! Oh, we forgot to do this thing.